What's up everyone, I'm Roxy, and if you're new to my channel, I'm so happy to have you here, and if you've always been here, then welcome back. So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you how I created the cutest planner, which I think is so perfect if you are a student, or you work at home, or you work at an office. And this video is very special to me because I have worked with personal planner for years. Since I started YouTube, I've been working with this brand to create beautiful planners throughout the year that I use in my own personal life. Also, I'm very excited to share that I am once again hosting a giveaway with personal planners so that you can create your own planner. You can create the front of your planner exactly like you want. You can put images of yourself, of your boo, of your family, of your dogs, of where you traveled, anything that you want. It's so customizable, and that is why I really love it. And you can also design the inserts of the planner exactly how you would like it to be. I will show you, of course, how you can do that. So for the giveaway, you have to be subscribed to my channel, of course. Thumbs this video up, as well as follow me on Instagram at ITSROXYJAMES, and you're gonna find this picture right here. Like it, as well as comment to friends who might like this. Also, you're gonna be following personal planner as well, because they are kind enough to be giving away a gift card that you can use to design and create your own planner exactly like how you want it. So now that that is over and you are aware of this giveaway, to get a cute planner just like mine, I'm going to show you exactly why you're going to want this planner. So first up, you get a plastic covering that protects your beautiful design that you have at the front here. So this time I did something completely different. I went with a blush pink Wanderlust theme. You have Disney Castle, you have the top of the Empire State Building, you have New York City, and a London telephone booth. So I really loved how this turned out, and I did it for the back as well because I really love how the planner matches and goes together so well. Of course, I'll leave all the links down below so you can go check out my Pinterest with all the images that I used if you like this design that I did. And then you also get an elastic band closure that comes with the planner to make sure your planner can close, and I think that that's a really great little idea. You can also customize this string, as you will see later on, but I did a white string because I just liked how that looked with the planner. But in the past, I did have a pink string as well as a gold glittery one. This is the size that I normally choose, but there's also a really much bigger size as well as a very small size like this. I feel like this size is the size that is perfect for me. It can slip into my bags and I can carry it on the go, which is definitely something I look forward to in a planner. Okay, next up, what I love is that you get a plastic pocket folder that you can insert into your planner, and this is of course really perfect if you want to slip in journal cards or anything like that. You can practically see my hand going into it. So on the first page of the planner, you can customize it with your name. You can see in my old planner I had Roxy James, and at the bottom, instead of like the address and stuff like that, if you don't want to put anything like that, you can actually put your own quotes. But in my new planner, I just wanted it blank because I can probably decorate it myself, just do something a little bit different. So now we're getting to inside of the planner, which is where things get really exciting. So on the top of my planner, you can see I have this marble heading, but of course you can choose different patterns. So inside of the planner, you can choose anywhere between lines and grids and bullets. I did a bullet spread because I love bullet journaling right now. I'm super into it. At the bottom of each page, you have the option to customize it as well. So I love adding the quotes to my planner. I also love that they give you that extra boost of motivation so that, you know, if you're having a bad week, you can just read one of these and your mood could instantly switch. So right next to my quotes, I had a to-do list, which I think was a really nice idea because I can put my top 5 priorities for the week or my main goals that I want to accomplish. On the next side of my page, I decided to add a little coloring box. I think that the coloring squares are like a stress reliever. I can't wait to start coloring in it. One thing about this planner is that you can start this planner whenever you want to start it. So I started this planner in April, so it will go from April 2019 to April 2020. So if you're now getting a planner like this, you can definitely do like September 2019 to September 2020. I really love starting a planner when I want to start a planner and not, you know, worrying about having to waste all of the extra pages. So of course, before each month, there is a monthly overview, which is an essential in any planner, so you can see your month at a glance. Another fun thing about this planner is at the end, you get to customize a few of the pages at the back, and I love that. You can choose from so many different types of pages. For me, I chose grid pages at the back, followed by line pages, and something I've always done in every single one of my personal planners is a set of coloring pages, which I think is so much fun to add to your planner. You also get to choose the color of a ruler, and the ruler fits right into your page like this, so it never gets lost, but somehow I always lose mine. And the planner also comes with this huge sticker sheet. As you can see, I just realized it was like 2 sheets and I only did an overview of one, but it has like a ton of flags and emojis and happy birthdays and things that you can add to your planner to make it really cute. You know, I'm a girl who's all about that sticker life. Okay, so that is all the details about my planner. So I'm gonna switch to a voiceover right now. So you can see exactly how I did this cover, from going onto Pinterest, creating a collage, and then adding it to my planner to create this beautiful planner. These images that I use are not mine, they're ones that I found on Pinterest, and I give full credit to whoever owns these images, but it will be on my blog if you want to check it out. Okay, first up you get your images, and I have a board on Pinterest called Blush Pink, which I will link down below, and I saved a ton of beautiful blush pink themed pictures and wanderlust images that will make it really easy for you. If you want to use them in your planner, you can just go and save them from my board. So what I did is that any images I liked, I dragged them into a folder onto my desktop, so when I'm ready to use them in my collage, I can easily access them. Next up, you want to make your collage, and to do that I went on photojet.com. It is a free website. I selected collage and then photo grid. I'm decreasing the size of the spacing. Okay, so here's the most important part. You want to go at the bottom of the collage and uncheck lock aspect ratio. You're going to change the numbers to the ones I'm putting on the screen because I measured them exactly so that it will fit the A5 planner that I have. Once that is done, you go ahead and check lock aspect ratio and apply. Okay, so I am going into photos, clearing all of these stock images and adding the pictures I just saved to my desktop. So here is the fun part now. You get to play around with the images and position them in any way that you like until you're happy with it. So at this point, I really loved how my collage was looking. I was just zooming in and out of the telephone booth until I was happy with it. You're going to name your file so it'll be easy for you to find, and then you're going to go ahead and download it, and it should pop up in your downloads or wherever you saved it. And that is how it looks, and I'm so excited to actually design my planner now. So you're going to head across to the personal planner website and you're going to select the size that you want. So this is specifically for the A5 planner I have. You're going to go into photos and upload the collage that you just created. As you can see, it is the perfect size, and now I'm going to add the same image to the back. If you're adding a new image, you're going to go ahead and upload it as well and position it until you're happy with it. So on the front of the planner, you can go ahead and add your name. I was really happy with the images alone, so I didn't bother to customize it. I'm just playing around with elastic bands, and I ended up choosing the white one because I think that one really went well with my planner. Okay, so you're gonna go ahead onto the next part of your planner. You can actually choose where you're starting. So I started in April, and then I'm choosing different layouts, and I chose the layout number 4, which had the boxes coming across the page like this. Next up, I'm playing around with the headers, and like I said, I chose the marble header, but there's a ton of other options you can choose from. So here I'm choosing the color of my ruler, and I chose pink. You can also add other boxes, but I didn't bother to add those. And then I'm going to choose the writing spaces, which is basically the layout of your planner. And I chose bullets for both, but there are a ton of different options that you can play around with until you find something you like. So you're going to click next and go into module 1, and that's where I added my quotes. But as you can see, there are a ton of different options you can choose from. Next to the quote, I have the to-do this week, and you can change the colors of it. And I changed mine to pink to match my planner. I added in the coloring squares, which I think was so cute. For personal dates, I didn't add anything into my planner, but it's really cool if you wanted to add special occasions and have it printed into the planner. So at the back of the planner, this is where I added in the grid, lined, and coloring pages, but there are a ton of options, so you can add whichever one you like. So here's where you can add the name or the quotes like I did in my old planner. So now you've reached the end. This is your planner. You can see all of the contents of it. You can see how the front and the back covers look, and all you have to do is to add it to cart and check out and wait until you get your beautiful planner. It literally shows up to your door exactly how you planned it online, and I have no complaints. I absolutely love it. Also, they were kind enough to give me a coupon code for all of my viewers. So this is the coupon code. You can use it to get some coin off because you know your girl got you. Also, if you do create your own personal planner, be sure to tag me in it. I want to see what you did. I want to see how it turned out. So thumbs this video up if you enjoyed it. Good luck to everyone who enters the giveaway. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I have so much amazing content coming your way. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye! Mwah.